well as the readings all over the world, consults as well. So that's basically, I'll go over what I am, other than I believe human, still here. Sorry, British sense of humour. But basically, I'm a claircognitive. Now, claircognitive is somebody who literally is a medium, communicates with people who have passed on to the outside. I hate that word, I'm sorry. It's so a bit hacky. But anyway, a clairvoyant is somebody who receives messages through pictures. Clairaudio hears it, a clairsentient feels it. I'm all of that, plus I get it in taste and I get it in smell. So that's when I hesitate. That's the only time that really I get really annoyed. It's just their choice. I don't go through angels or guides or whatever. I am purely through energy, okay? And usually my husband's here. I think he's escaped outside. Because usually you can't lie to me, as certain people in here know. I know. So you always get nervous when I say that, and I don't know why. But anyway, basically, I will go backwards when I do a reading, whether you like it or not, because that is important, because you need to know you're speaking to the right person. And you need to confirm that you have touched, picked up on you, okay? But the events I'm going to bring up initially, it only takes a few minutes, but sometimes longer. But those are the times that are telling you, or showing you that you've left some, either code behavior that's affecting you now, or that also that it could be an event that's affecting you, okay? So people are guided to me. I don't know how people find me half the time all over the world. Anyway, that's how it's on the readings. Okay, here we go. We've got predictions. And if you see, last year's predictions, I hate to say it, I gave so many, quite a few hundred, 98% right. So, and I did the whole catalogue. I'm afraid, like the Paris, the two that I saw, and I did say Belgium, by the way, and this is this year's. Belgium just got hit. There's going to be more attempts. There is one thing, just quickly, I'm going to kind of intersperse and go back and forth, but I hate to say there's going to be here in America, and I kept on bringing it up. I didn't really want to tell it, but I'm going to tell it now. There's going to be a bridge that's going to be targeted. Okay? Don't worry, don't need to go and race on 2,000 miles an hour every single bridge. But I would just advocate, if you're feeling, if you're here, you've got your own intuition that's growing, just make sure that you know they're going to be a lot more cells active, not so much in these few months, but after July and August. So be careful that I'm afraid individual terrorist cells, it's not a mass group, okay? And it's as if they need to have, I'm going to say, I'm going to ask you these questions, raise your hands if this has happened to you. Who has been encountering all kinds of bizarre and intensely horrible, bad situations in your life in the last 2.5 to 3 years, where it seems it has got even worse in the last 3 months? Anybody? I mean, really bad situations, unusual situations that they're really going through horrors. Okay, there are 150 signs, okay? Who's been clearing their closets out? All right. Usually that's a big one. Who's been feeling as if they want to, they're druggy, this is during the day, that they're so druggy and they're sleepy that they want to crawl underneath the desk and go to sleep.
Isn't that everywhere?
You feel like that with you've got a wicked sense of humor. Yeah. It really is, really wicked. I'm sorry. Here we go. So, okay, who's been wanting a simpler, uncomplicated life? They're just tired of all the rubbish. I'm going to say something else. And they're wanting, they really seem a lot more. So then, okay, and this is one thing, and it really breaks my heart when I see this. Who's been wanting to run and run and run away from their life? They just want to get in the car and run. And they just are so suffocated, and they don't know why. It's not as if it's something horrible, but it's just as if you've just had enough, right? And these are, you don't need to raise your hands to this, but depression and funds have been on the increase in the last 2-3 years, where you can't even sometimes to the point where you're so depressed that they can't even get out of bed. They're so, restricted. who's been getting rid of their friends, but most of their family, who they can't stand, but they're no longer, they're kind of using you, and you just had enough, I just like, just in case my family's back. Right? Okay, and who's been, and this is funny, who's been going from 0 to 2,000 in a few seconds, anger, can't control their anger. Just literally, they don't know why, but they're okay one minute and they go ballistic. Anybody? That I'm surprised. In the last 2 years, not now, I'm just saying, last 2 years to 3 years. And who's knowing that who's been experiencing all these weird kind of health conditions in their lives that they never saw before, and you didn't experience it before, but it's just getting suffocating. And you know that who's been thinking they know that they're coming into a new change in their life? They're really changing everything. So, you know, this is part of this. It's been going on for 3 years. And the big one is that I will say, you know, lots more, but the big one is that who has been, even from as little as two weeks or even 2 days, to outside about 3 weeks to about 6 weeks, they're not the same person. They're changing so quickly. They don't even, people are coming up to you saying, sometimes they don't even know who you are, that you've changed so much, but your attitudes are changing. You don't like the same foods. Your whole persona's changing. Anybody feel identified with that? And yes, you do, right? Last November, you went through a big shift. What was going on there?
I got a visit.
Oh, see, that's a big shift, right? And even before that, August was a horrible month for you. Is that true?
Yes.
And that you just couldn't, you were putting pressures on other people's pressures, not yours.
I think I'll do that, yes.
Yeah, that was a huge lesson. And I hate to say it kind of stopped your heart for that one, didn't it? And in the last 5.5 to 6 weeks, you've changed your life a lot.
Very much. Everything everything I was into is totally changed.
Yeah, you kind of brushed it all out, I see. Is that true? Yeah, I told you to call light. So, but anyway, you are going to be fine. By August, you're going to be realigning again. And it's not a horrible thing, it's a good thing. Okay, but May, just hold your breath. Because if you're getting into the driver's seat, then you better hold on to those reins. A lot of weird things are going to happen that you may think, what in heaven's name, I could do the other way, it's happening. But don't worry. Why do you, okay, I'm going to ask you, anybody random who can raise your hand, why do you think bad things happen to us? Lessons. Good. Oh, well, I'm talking to a listening crowd.
Yes.
Yeah. But the thing is, a lot of people don't understand that. But if you don't learn that lesson, we're doomed to repeat it, okay? Now, why do some people come up and say, why do I always end up with the same type of guy? Go away. You can't let that one down. It's because you should look at other things. But who's even thinking of changing their career? Right? Yeah, everybody. No, but seriously, but we get dragged because we refuse to look at the signs, and I've over 150. There's very subtle ones, but I've got a checklist, get this, and there's a percentage that you're all going through it. You wouldn't be here to receive this lecture if not. But there's going to be so many other changes this year, and don't concentrate. This is my mission, is that not scare you with the predictions, even though they're 98% right and everything else about what's going on, tornadoes and cyclones, all of that was predicted. But what I'm telling you, don't start looking at the bigger picture. Now, I'm going to give you some news. Concentrate on the bigger picture. Look at it, but don't absorb it. What matters to you is what? You. And who's there? I don't know, or something. I don't know. So, basically, it's about, thank you so much. Excuse me. I want you to start not thinking you're selfish, and it's usually the people who are too humble to think about not, thinking, oh, I'm being selfish, but you're not. It's about you being realigned. You have to start thinking about everything else. By July, you're going through so many changes since the 17th of December, correct? Mm-hmm. There's some real shifts there in December, but by July you'll see a different coating of it. You're stubborn at times, boy, you're stubborn.
Okay.
So you have to let go, but again, you can't tell you what to do. I don't care who's out there. I'm never going to tell you what to do. I'll guide you, and I'll give you the warnings, but don't start coming back to me and saying, well, you did say, well, next. I'm known to be very brutally honest. Those who've got readings from me know me. I don't mess around. I will just be in your face. I've already taken one person's face off, and he has said, yes, that's true. So don't worry, it's getting boring. No, it's not. It's not about that. I'll give you the, I'm teasing you. It's not about that. It's just I'm giving you information. What you do with it is up to you, right? And that's all you're all seeking here. That's what you're all wanting to. But you've been going through, this lady here in the purple, you've been going through some last 2 years, really about 2.5, way behind, 2.5 to 3 years has been as if small little bombs, not one bomb, but small little bombs have been going on here. And you've been fighting through like a little tiger, but sometimes you just want to be the tiger's mat, right? You just, why? That I'm not going to disclose because it's obviously it's private. But do you understand? There's a lot of things that we are literally put into the corner, and you feel as if you're the only one. I get this, I'm afraid, from all over the world. You know, why is this happening? But it's because we are going into a new phase. Did you know that the planet, not only us, energy is changing, but the whole planet is actually going through a terraformer? Do you know what a terraformer is? No, you do. Terraformer is like a renewal of the planet. It's as if it's been renewed from inside out. Who's been noticing how many earthquakes? I was right about that. I said there'd be more 8s. I mean, 6s were horrific 10 years ago. Now it's another 6.
Yeah.
Yesterday, 2 days. I said last year it's going to be more 8s and 9s coming in. Okay, and now everybody's like, okay, earthquake. No, you're okay at the moment. And friends and all my clients would say, you know, let us know when you move. We like to
Yes.
Okay, we'll be moving, but I'll let you know.
And where do you live?
Yeah, that's right.
Where do you live?
California.
Where in California?
Yeah, well, near LA. So, you know, and that was actually
too.
yeah, so I've been trying to tell it that the illusions are getting far more of the Fiji, all of that. We go to SGS and we are going to get far more, I'm afraid, whether we like it or not. And it is a prelude to get your earthquake surprise, flies, rain. It is a surprise too. But everybody is, you're going to experience far more aggressive Midwest, I'm afraid. I've been horribly accurate that the flooding and the tornadoes and everything else is going to get worse. I didn't get, was it tornado, what do they call them? Yeah, no, the tornado watchers, the chasers. They say, oh, tell me what they say. Yeah, I've got nothing else to do. Anyway, basically it's going to be far more concentrated. And no, we have not finished with the snow. People say, oh yes, it's all over. Mid-Jan, no. I'm telling you, by May, in May we'll still get snow. But in the upper region. Okay? So we are seeing, it's a different formation. Your tides, I did tell you, you're going to get, not what I call king tides. They're going to be higher, of course the surface like that, but these are dangerous tides. Road waves, like 70 to 80 to 120 feet, but that's mid-ocean. You know, Canada's cancelling their reservations with cruise lines. Not now, but it's more going to be in the Pacific, in the other side, okay? But you're going to be fine there. Any questions quickly before I loop in?
Money in the finances, there's a lot of stuff about the dollar's going to be devaluated.
Any other questions? Everybody wants to know. I've got so many clients who are business people. I want to ask. I'm not going to lie about it. I did say the market is going to go down.
Oh, yeah, the stock market. Yeah.
It's going, and you know, oh yeah, they announced it today. It's great. Yeah, good luck. Yeah. All right. But in safe bonds, okay, money-wise, no, you're not going to lose the dollar. Okay. What's going to happen is, I hate to say, and I did say this actually to a businessman a few days ago, that Europe is going to get hit. And that is going to affect us. What's going to really affect us? What happens? November, the elections. Either way, don't even go there and ask me who's going to win. Because, quite frankly, dog eat dog is not going to change too much. But what I again comes back to what I was telling you. You concentrate on yourself. Don't look at anything else. And you've learned the lesson the hard way, right? You concentrate on yourself. And not to say to be selfish, I don't think you'll ever be selfish, to be honest, but you need to really start thinking about how do I preserve, and get right. You know, we're riding through these waves, and and I did say, if you're going to sell a house, you sell it before November this year. Otherwise, you're stuck for another 5 years, 5 to 8 years. Okay, I know. She's just
She did it overnight. She said, I have to, and she did it. It was so week.
Yeah, see, but it is because it's going to, no, I mean, you can still sell it, but it's going to be much, it depends where you are. Where we are, it's going to go down 60,000 to 100. So it depends on where you are, but it's still going to get devalued. But don't worry about the economy. The economy is going to kind of be, well, for the next 2 years. But it doesn't mean to say, don't say, oh my God, you know, let me get into, don't look so sad. I'm sorry, she's crying. But it's just what you do is you hopefully have a good financial manager. You let him have and let them have it, but be cautious with your blue chips and whatever, but do middle of the road. Don't go, if you're going to go into the extremes, good luck. There is going to be another break in the iPhone. There is going to be, I did tell you last year, the cloud's going to get hacked. iPhone's going to get hacked with the back door, and it did with the Angry Birds and going on. You're going to get another one later on this year that they're going to hack the iPhone. So, technology, okay? So be careful, and I think it's going to be more aggressive from about September, end of August, September, that your Mac is going to get infected. So be careful. But, you know, join the club in a way, but just be cautious. And please, I tell this on a separate video, be wise. You have one, if you're going to do online banking or anything like that, put it on a separate, buy one, just that one. You don't need to be expensive. Only do that. Don't start surfing the web. And then don't put any documents on your hard drive. Oh, I've got 1 terabyte hard drive. Good. Guess what? It's going to get locked up. Scams are going to get even worse this year and progressively every year. Put it on a terabyte, or it's like $60 or something. I know that's a lot of money. Go independent. Put everything, and make sure you unplug the darn thing.
Yes.
Because it will get locked down. There's too many scams coming from, not so much, there's China, but there's really on the European sector. Okay? And I'm not going to say more about that. So unfortunately, Germany, and that's why Euro is going to go down badly, Germany is going to go through a big, tough time. Horrible time. It's going to affect the rest of the world. On the other side is China. China's economy is going to go into a bit of a crash, and that will go by September, October. It's wavering at the moment. So I hate to say it, guess what? There's got so much investment here from China in California. Yes. So what you do is shore up. You just kind of, as if you're in a shelter 20 miles below. Get what you need. You don't need to go and get gold bullion and silver bullion and whatever. You don't need to do that. Just make sure that you've got enough money, got the money safe. And if you don't feel safe in the banks, I don't see any banks really failing, the big ones. But they're also gone down to eliminate, they've really eliminated all the smaller banks. So did that kind of answer your question?
Yes, another dollar. Yeah.
Don't start buying into that.
Because I was thinking, should I buy more silver so that will
silver's better go. I keep telling people silver will go up better than gold.
Yeah, it's going to.
Okay.
Silver down for a while.
Yeah, well, good. I know.
I also not yet.
Yeah, I know, but silver's a weird kind of thing. Yeah. But gold is now not exactly the same ones, not control silver. Okay? But make sure that it's in a safe place, obviously. Anything else before I go on?
With the election, isn't that turmoil of the election, isn't that part of the shifting of the planet and the energies to, or is that just the typical political?
It's part of the process where it's not the shifting of the planet so much as you're seeing that it's all about personal agenda. It's nothing to do with you and I. It's all, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Agenda. In other words, they want, and it's not about the Republican Party or the Democrat or whatever, it's all about the person and how they want to portray it, and whoever comes isn't going to do what they, excuse my French, but damn all right, okay? And so we're caught in the middle, so what you do is go microcosm, you start concentrating on yourself, nothing else, right? And see, and then you won't have that panic session that a lot of people are retiring, the baby boomers, we're all retiring, and we're freaking out, oh God, I have to have a job, why? And then you find out that if you have a job, you're actually going to be
Pay more taxes.
Thank you. So you have to look at that. Please go and visit either your social security or whatever and look at that and to see if it is. And some people, you know, and that's another thing, it's going to be turned upside down. There's going to be more single, what do you call it, the pyramid is going to be literally turned upside down where, time? Oh, it's already at half an hour? Oh gosh, I don't know. But anyway, basically it's going to change. There's lots of things, there's things called the candle lesson that everybody, if you want, it's just like that thing there, but I've seen miracles that I can't even explain with the candle lesson, and that's you asking your own guides, and if you get time, you can go ahead and email me, and you've got the flyers over here or at my station, and then I'll send you the candle. They're free lessons up there as well. There's one called Kick in the Head, and it is a kick in the head. An exercise that takes 3 hours to get through, but it cleanses your life, but only if you're brave enough, because there's a lot in that lesson. Okay? So the rest of the book will be out hopefully later, it depends. There's chaos in my life too.
Yeah.
I like to live your life. So